Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 760 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put this in the pairing mode first, okay? So the one ear cup here, you have all these buttons here, okay? And you can see a power button right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and, these are currently off. Let me turn these on. I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Wait till the light turns on and then let go. And then what I'm hoping for is a blue blinking light. If it blinks blue, then it will indicate that I'm in pairing mode, okay? Which I want. However, I get a blue solid light there. The reason is because I'm paired to another phone. So let me go ahead and put this in a pairing mode first. Let me turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Go ahead and let it turn off. And now, for me to put this in pairing mode, I have to press this power button and hold it until the light starts blinking blue. Okay, so power button here, ready, set, go. Now I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to keep holding now. Still holding. I want a blue blinking light. Blue, blue, blue. Let go. There we go. It's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to our Android phone here. You want to go to settings, and then you want to go to your Bluetooth connection. Okay, so for this model here, I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that little spinny thing, it's scanning for devices that's in pairing mode, and it'll be under available devices. So all these things here is in pairing mode where I can pair. So the JBL Tune 760 is right there. So let me tap on that. I should get a pairing request here. Pairing request. Tap on that. Give it 1 second, and then we should be connected, as you can see right there. Now, if you guys had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.